How to export Gemini responses to Google Docs. So if you want to export Gemini responses to Google Docs, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and then go with Gemini. Or if you have the Gemini application, you need to open up your Gemini application. Now, Gemini is super useful for assignments, reports, notes, or anything you want to save neatly. You can go to gemini.google.com in your Google browser or head over to the Gemini application. Now you can ask Gemini anything. You can ask to write an email, summarize notes, make notes, or generate a report. So for example, I'll just simply ask Gemini to generate a report on nature and its resources. And I will also ask it to make it 3 pages because I don't want a long report. Now once done, you need to hit the send. Now you can see that Gemini gives me a report on nature in just a few seconds. Now you can tweak and make changes according to your wish. And then now you can scroll down and check every answer that Gemini has given you. And if you are satisfied with it, then you can export it to your Google documents. For that, you'll need to go to the end of the answer. And then you will see the share icon, which is the upward arrow icon. You just have to simply tap on it and you can see that it will create a public link. Now, once the link has been created, you will have these kind of interface. You need to just simply scroll down and then various icons appear. Now you need to just simply go with more and then search for Drive, or you may have the Drive option right here. You need to just simply click on Drive. Save it to your Drive first. Tap on Drive and then select the account where you would like to save and then just give a name. I'll just simply go and add the name as file and then go with upload, which will be in the top right. Wait for it to upload. Now you need to come back and then open up your Google documents. After opening your documents, go with your file or just simply go with the account in which you've saved your file. Now go with the plus icon, which will be in the bottom right, or just simply go with files, which will be in the top right. Tap on files. After selecting Google Drive, which will be in the bottom, you will have your files right here. But if you don't find your files right here, then what you can do is just simply go back and then go with your Google Drive. So search for Google Drive. And then as you can see that my report is right here, you need to tap and hold on to that report. Go with the 3 dots, which will be in the top right, and then tap on open with, and go and select the documents, and then go with just once, and tap on upload, tap on OK, and that's it. That's how you can export Gemini response to Google Docs, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.